you will lose what you don't appreciate. And that's the truth. Ang bagay na hindi mo na-appreciate, mawawala sa'yo. Same with the knowledge. If you don't appreciate the knowledge, mananatili lang siyang knowledge. And you may seem to think that knowledge is power. No, knowledge is not power. Knowledge is only potential power. Ang totoong power is applied knowledge when you use the knowledge. Think of it this way. Ang knowledge parang battery, and you are the machine. So when you acquire the knowledge, it's the same as saying na yung battery na may power inside, nilagay mo sa machine. So na-acquire mo na yung knowledge. But you have to turn it on. You have to flip the switch. You have to use the power of the battery para tumakbo, mag-move forward yung machine. Same goes with you. You have to use the knowledge. So you are paid not with what you know. You are paid with what you do for the things that you know.